Did you know that over 70% of YouTube Shorts are created by people with no prior video editing experience? It's true. You can jump right in and start creating amazing content in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Hey, innovators! For today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to show you about making YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos. Basically, videos for mobile phone users. First, I'm going to show you the best way to get started making mobile videos. Come to Video once you're inside Canva and click on that. Here's where all the different sizes are. I want mobile, so go to Mobile Video, or choose TikTok Video. Either one of those will work since the sizes are the same, 1080 by 1920. There are loads of templates that you can use if you want to, or you can start from scratch with a blank template. Today, I'll start from scratch and make a quick YouTube short about tools for YouTubers. So, let's get started. If you come to my channel, Makes It with AI, I have all sorts of videos in here about using Canva, making animated videos and other creative things. Feel free to come here and you can learn more about all the things that I've already created videos about, such as how to use different AI tools, POD, KDP, Canva, and much more. You're all invited. So, let's go back to Canva and start making a Shorts video. We're inside the actual YouTube video editor, and I'm working on a mobile video, 1080 by 1920. Over here, you can see all the different tools that you can use when making a video. If you want to add pages, each one of these boxes are pages. You can click here to add more. You can see exactly how long the pages are in seconds. So if you were to click on it, it'll show you how long it is. You can always change this, but that's how you get started. Now we'll go to Elements and search for Computer. Here you'll see graphics, photos, frames, etc. I want to put videos in my page background, so I'll search there. Okay, so grab the video you want to use, then resize it. Now, I'll leave it like that. Next, I'll change my time to 5 seconds. Let's add some text. So click over here and we'll put that there. I'll change the spacing and add a background to it. So now we'll bring our playhead, which is what this thing is, over to the beginning and click on this button. Remember, you could have used your own video footage in here instead of the stock ones I'm using in this example. All you would have to do then would be to drag the video in here to the upload section, and Canva would take your own videos and put them here. If you uploaded audio files, they will be here. If you have uploaded any images, they will show here. That way, you can find it later. So, that's how that works. So now let's go back to Elements, and let's try to find something else. So now I've got all my different video clips loaded in here. And now I'm going to go back and text for each one of these. I'll grab this and copy it and paste it in each page for now, then I'll change them all in to speed things up. Now I'll change the length of all the pages because it's a little slow. So I'll click on this, go to the 5 seconds and change it to 2, then click Done. If I wanted, I could add a page at the end and put my YouTube page information here. If you'll click between 2 pages, you'll see 2 things. Click on the top one to add a page. If you click on the bottom one, then you can add transitions. When you do that, it opens up this panel with a lot of different things to make the changes between pages a little more interesting. For right now, I'll choose Dissolve, and I'll apply it between all pages. If I wanted to, I could also add music or sounds. If I had music to add, I could go to Audio and choose a song. I could add this one if I wanted to. Just make sure your playhead is wherever you want to add the music, because that's where it will go. If you right-clicked on it, you can change the volume. You can also fade in or fade out. So that's a quick way showing you some of the possibilities you can do editing YouTube Shorts. If you need to make shorts using Canva, this is one way to do it really quick. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.